Union Minister H D Kumaraswamy addresses 65th Foundation Day celebrations of the Central Manufacturing Technology Institute. Union Minister for Heavy Industries and Steel H D Kumaraswamy has said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has placed unprecedented emphasis on manufacturing led growth and employment generation, which has accelerated industrial growth and created large employment opportunities. He said this yesterday while addressing the 65th Foundation Day celebrations of the Central Manufacturing Technology Institute in Bengaluru. Mr. Kumaraswamy said the Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, headquartered in Bengaluru, is making significant contributions to research in the strategic sector and will be provided with financial and institutional support to strengthen its capabilities and expand its national footprint. Speaking on the revival of Hindustan Machine Tools (HMT), the Union Minister said a detailed project report is in its final stages and implementation will begin after consultations with stakeholders. He added that a high-level committee chaired by former Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Saraswat is working on a revival strategy for HMT based on whose recommendations a restoration program will be prepared. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.